Hi, this is Nina at ForeignMRE.com, and I am holding a rare Guerrilla ration. Now, we're not talking about the zoo gorilla. This ration we have yet to see anywhere on social media or Amazon, eBay, or those types of websites. So we are very happy and thankful for our vendor for getting us these rations. This ration weighs in at 3 pounds, 8 ounces. It has the logo of the Russian Army, as well as a lot of other logos. I'm assuming that these are organizations that have endorsed this particular ration. It weighs in at 3 pounds, 8 ounces and contains 4,170 calories. And to compare for size purposes, I have here the Russian Army ration. It's about the same size, the box is about the same thickness, and it's about the same weight. So with that being said, I want to open this up and see what's inside. Initially, when I opened this box, something smells absolutely delicious, and it has to be this rye bread. So I've got 2 slices of rye bread. I've got 6 wet naps, of course 3 for your hands, 3 for your utensils. I've got a stove. I've got 3 spoons and a knife. I've got 2 packages of crackers. I've got 45 grams of what appears to be apple jam. Got some salt. This has got to be tea. Got some waterproof matches. I've got 3 packages of sugar. Got a chocolate bar. 100 grams of salted pork fat. This is chicken stored in jelly. We've got some eggplant caviar. Not 1, but 2 50-gram each liver pate. We've got some kasha with beef. I've got a can of pork stew. Got a package of salt and a package of pepper. And I've got 3 napkins, along with some instructions. Well guys, that's everything in the rare Russian Guerrilla ration. I will get this on the website soon, hopefully in the next couple of days. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted rations. You can even get a Guerrilla ration on ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching.